Union Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari has announced a major road infrastructure package for Meghalaya and the wider Northeast. The announcement was made at the Northeast India Infrastructure Summit and Exhibition, or NEII-NFRA 2026 in Shillong. According to Gadkari, road infrastructure in the Northeast will be developed on par with India's more developed states.
मैं कुछ नए प्रोजेक्ट की भी घोषणा करना चाहता हूं और मैं ये विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूं कि ये 50,000 करोड़ तक गाड़ी रुकी नहीं है। मैं आज एडिशनल 90,000 करोड़ की कनेक्टिविटी की नई घोषणा कर रहा हूं। ये जो 40,000 करोड़ के प्रोजेक्ट है, दरुगिरी वाघमारा डालू 136 किलोमीटर 4,000 करोड़, ये जल्दी ही इसका अप्रूवल होकर इसके काम की हम शुरुआत करेंगे। It improve connectivity to remote village on West Garo Hills and South Garo Hills near the Indo-Bangladesh border. Faster travel from South Garo Hills to Tura, Shillong, Nongstein and further to Guwahati via Dainadubi. Road runs along the Indo-Bangladesh border from Dalu to Bagmara and further to Ranikhor in southwest Khasi Hills. Reduce travel time Dalu se Bagmara from 4 hours to 2 hours and वाघमारा से दारूगिरी फ्रॉम 4 hours to 2 hours. इसके साथ साथ शिलोंग सिलचर, ये जो पूरा है ये बहुत बड़ा रोड है। ये 4 लेन ग्रीनफील्ड है। शिलोंग टू सिलचर 165 किलोमीटर 23,000 करोड़ रुपए का है। बीड्स इनवाइट किए गए हैं। काम केवल मुख्यमंत्री जी जगह कब देते हैं उसके लिए अटका हुआ है। उन्होंने जगह देने के बाद बीड्स ओपन करके 90% लैंड उनको देनी पड़ेगी, तभी इसका काम शुरू होगा। इट कनेक्ट्स मावलैंगखुंग नियर शिलोंग टू पंचग्राम नियर सिलचर. Greenfield length has reduced from 230 km to 165 km. Reduces travel time Barapani to Panchagram from 8 hours to 4 hours. Links Meghalaya to Tripura, Mizoram and Manipur via Silchar. Connects PM Gati Shakti nodes, economic nodes Jowai, Khilhariyal, Umakyam, Kalain and Silchar. Religious places Nartiyang Durga Temple, tourist places Tirshi Falls, Third Losken Lake, Kongsuri Fall and Chachri Port. बाद में 4 लेन ग्रीनफील्ड है जोराबाद से बेरापानी 66 किलोमीटर. इसकी कीमत 8,500 करोड़ है. इसका डीपीआर आखिरी स्टेज पर है और ये ग्रीनफील्ड है. इसके कनेक्ट करने से गुवाहाटी जोराबाट विथ शिलोंग बारापानी ये लेंथ 100 किलोमीटर जो है reduced from 100 km to 66 km. Travel time between Guwahati and Barapani reduced to 1 hour from 2.5 hours. It will, मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूँ कि अगले बार मैं जब शिलोंग में आऊँगा तो आप गुवाहाटी एयरपोर्ट में 1 घंटे के अंदर पहुँच जाएंगे.
For Meghalaya, the minister announced a proposed national highway pipeline worth nearly 39,800 crore rupees. One of the flagship projects is the Shillong-Silchar Greenfield Corridor, covering about 165 kilometers. The government says the corridor is expected to improve connectivity between Meghalaya, Assam's Barak Valley, and states such as Tripura, Mizoram, and Manipur. Another proposed project is the 66-kilometer Jorabad-Barapani Greenfield Corridor. Officials say it is aimed at reducing travel time between Guwahati and Shillong. The Darugiri-Bagmara Dalu corridor is also part of the road push. The project is expected to improve connectivity in the Garo Hills region near the India-Bangladesh border. Gadkari also inaugurated, dedicated, or laid the foundation stone for 6 national highway projects worth 3,214 crore rupees in Meghalaya. These include the Pinorsla Bypass, Tura Bypass, Salsela-Goiragre Road Project and the Dhubri-Fulbari Bridge to Salsela stretch. Upgrades linked to the Shillong-Dauki Road and Jawai Bypass were also part of the announcement. According to available project details, Meghalaya has road and infrastructure works worth more than 52,000 crore rupees across completed, ongoing and planned stages. Officials say around 820 kilometers of highway work has been completed, while about 310 kilometers are under implementation. Another 450 kilometers are at different stages of planning and execution. The government says the new highway projects are expected to improve connectivity, reduce travel time, support trade and tourism, and strengthen economic activity across Meghalaya and the Northeast. However, as with all large infrastructure projects, the final impact will depend on timelines, clearances, land acquisition, and on-the-ground execution.